Well, that's convenient. Did you do that? No? Well, I'll let it continue to do what it's doing then. I'll have an edited video before I know it. Guess I'll just start working on the car. Guys, been a while since y'all seen me. I've been sitting here trying to save up some money, collect the parts as I go, you know, yada yada yada. Need a few more parts, but we got enough to get a little more started here. So let me show you first of all what I got here. I got a cheap eBay style Manifold eBay wastegate. Then I got some other miscellaneous parts, or pipes. Different sizes, different bends. I got a Grady blow-off valve. I got it real cheap. And just a bunch of other stuff. So, well, let's put a little bit of this stuff together. For this, I had to get an adapter because this is a T4 style, and the turbo is a T6. I didn't know the difference at the time. So, just looks like this. What's going on, everybody? So, as you saw, actually I probably didn't even include it. Probably just start the video off here. I had problems with my manifold getting it to fit with my adapter plate, so I took it to work and figured it out. So now we're just gonna kind of start putting stuff on and see how everything fits. Okay, here's my manifold. Sorry, one second. So this is the adapter plate because it's a cheap eBay manifold, and I can only get it in a T4, and the turbo has a T6 manifold flange. So I bought this adapter plate, but I bought it wrong, as the countersinks and whatnot were in the wrong spot. But I didn't know when I was buying it that where they needed to be. I should have paid more attention to it, I guess. Anyway, I took it to work, and we got some of these that were the right thread for the manifold side. I'm sorry, for the adapter plate side. And then drilled out the manifold threads. And we put these in here like that. Flushed them down. And put some nuts. So it's on there, it's not tight, everything's just kind of loose. Like I said, we're just mocking stuff up here. So, alrighty. So right now I gotta clock it in the correct orientation. Gotta loosen these up a little bit. Something like that. And I believe that one's the feed. Okay, so that's how that's going to sit in there for the most part. This is going to suck. And that's sitting off the coaster than I want. But it is what it is. Okay, so added on to the fail video, this manifold is not going to work. The way this exhaust pipe has to come out, it's going to hit back here and just not give enough room. I mean, it looks mean sitting there, but I need one that sticks out further. Okay, as y'all saw, I need a different style manifold. So this fail video is going to turn into more of a fail video. But I guess I'll just show you the part for now. So this is the flange I need for the back of the turbo, the V-band, and then a bunch of new stuff over here. Let's get on a 3-inch, this little adapter. Got a 5-inch turn tube, 90 degrees. Some miscellaneous parts or pipes and stuff I got from the old house. Here I got some 3-inch exhaust bins, which will also double as some intercooler piping. So to wrap this short little video up, I gotta get a new manifold, hopefully one that I can mount. Say this is the block. Mount the turbo more parallel instead of inward like that, or outward, however you want to call it. So my exhaust isn't running into the block, it'll run straight down, which kind of screws all the work I did getting that manifold set up. But whatever happens when you're building a car, I guess. Let's go look for a manifold. Alright, we should be recording now. So let me show you what kind of manifold I am talking about here. Go to eBay. Go to JZ Turbo Manifold. Okay, so we got some expensive ones here. This is the style I'm talking about. It's kind of like a side mount, and they're pretty affordable too for cheap ones, you know. The problem is it won't work with my wastegate. So this is really what I need. See how this sits straight, or sits straight? That's what I need more likely. Does I have a, what kind of wastegate? Oh yeah, 50mm wastegate down there. Right there. No, that's a T4. That's the wastegate. So yeah, that's what I need right there. This is expensive though. Well, for me. Good brand. It does sit straight. Sits far enough away from there. Should be able to work. So yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna come down to needing. Can I see what I bought? Let's see. My eBay. Oops. Purchase history. Okay. Items you bought. I've only want what? I think this is the style I need, but I have to get a different wastegate for that, which sucks. But this might be a better option, just in general. I don't know for sure though. Really, actually, it might not be.